Hey everyone, Ian with Pro Cycle Repair here. Just want to do a short little video on the Yamaha AT125. I just want to show you something. I know that these bikes have a starter on them, and it is this wire or button right there. So one of the things with this bike is every time we turn it on, it won't start. And I know this one has a starter, so I just want to show you guys really quick. So this is the solenoid that tells it when to start. So this wire is hooked up to that button. So when you push that button, it grounds it out and allows the electricity going from the battery to go directly to the starter. And the way I can show you that is I have a DVOM really quick. I can show you. We got, see if I can do this one-handed. .7 volts. So that one tells us that that's hot. That's supplying power to the solenoid. This other terminal on the other side is going to go directly to the starter. And I want to show you guys, just so we can make sure that the solenoid is working, that's the starter is working. Take a screwdriver, touch one end, and we'll touch the other. Okay, so we know that the solenoid, or that the starter is working. So next what we need to test is we need to see if our switch is bad. I do have a feeling that it might be just corroded, so we'll clean it, and I might do that in another video, but I just want to show you really quick of how to do that. So one way to do this is if our switch, when we press that button up there and it grounds this out, allowing it to start, what we can do is we unplug it from the solenoid, so that blue wire is no longer hooked up to that switch, right where that nipple is. We unplug that right there. So this wire is coming directly out of that solenoid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this wire in there and we're gonna ground it. And that will tell us if it's our switch that's bad or if it's a solenoid. So we're gonna ground it really quick. There we go. So now we know that our switch is corroded, and that is how you easily and quickly test a starter switch. Thanks for watching, really, guys. Pro Cycle Repair here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.